Hey, welcome! I used to think that asking for help was like waving a giant flag saying, I can't handle my own life. It felt like admitting defeat, like I was somehow less capable than everyone else around me. I'd sit there, wrestling with my thoughts, convinced that if I just tried a little harder, I could figure it all out on my own. But let's be real, nobody's got it all together. No matter how perfect things look from the outside, everyone has their own struggles, their own moments of doubt and overwhelm. Not your favorite influencer, not your mate who always seems on top of things, and definitely not me. Even the people you look up to, the ones who seem to have it all figured out, have days when they feel lost or unsure. Here's the truth. Asking for help isn't a weakness. It's not a flaw or something to be ashamed of. In fact, it's a sign that you're self-aware enough to recognize when you need a little extra support. It's actually one of the bravest things you can do. It takes real courage to be honest about what you're feeling and to reach out, especially when it feels scary or uncomfortable. Think about it. Anyone can pretend they're fine. It's easy to put on a mask and act like everything's okay, even when you're struggling inside. But it takes guts to say, I'm struggling and I need support. That's real strength. That's what makes you resilient, not pretending you're invincible. I get it. There's this weird guilt that creeps in, right? Like you're somehow failing if you can't do it all by yourself. It's almost as if we've been taught that independence means never needing anyone else. Like you should be able to handle everything on your own. But honestly, why? Who decided that struggling in silence is better than reaching out for a hand? Who told us we're supposed to be superheroes with 0 days off? Life isn't a movie, and nobody expects you to have superhuman strength all the time. You deserve support without guilt. Full stop. You're allowed to lean on others just like you'd want them to lean on you if they needed it. When you reach out, you're not burdening someone. You're giving them a chance to show up for you, just like you would for them. You're building trust, and you're letting people in. It's how real connections are built, and it's what keeps us human. We're wired for connection, for community, for helping each other through the tough times. If you're feeling low, overwhelmed, or even just a bit lost, don't wait for things to get impossible. Text your mate, call your mum, reach out to someone you trust, even if it's just to say you're not okay. Message that person you trust. Let them know you need a little support, or even just someone to listen. You don't have to spill everything, just start with, hey, I'm having a tough time. That one sentence can open the door to understanding and comfort. I promise you're not alone. There are people who care, even if it doesn't always feel that way. And you definitely don't have to do this alone. We're all in this together, even if our struggles look different. Let's normalize asking for help. Let's make it something we talk about openly, without shame or embarrassment. Let's make it something to be proud of, not embarrassed by. Because reaching out is a sign of growth, not failure. Because every step you take towards support is a step towards healing. It's a step towards a stronger, more connected you. So next time you need a hand, remember, it's not a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you're brave enough to care for yourself. It's the first, boldest move towards getting better. It's the start of something new, something hopeful, and you absolutely deserve that. Remember, you're stronger than you think, and you never have to face things alone. If this message resonated with you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more support and inspiration. Your journey matters, and we're here for you every step of the way.